everyone, I'm Michael Ginn with King Canada Tools. Sanding is one of the most time-consuming and tedious tasks in the workshop, and when you have to sand lots of material dead flat and quickly, you need a drum sander. The KC-26DS is a 26-inch dual drum sander that will do a rough and finish sand in a single pass. Working through various grits to produce a flat and smooth surface for finishing takes up your valuable time, and doing this by hand can introduce small surface imperfections that you don't notice until it's too late. Typical drum sanders help this process along by offering more repeatability and accuracy, but still only offer one sanding grit at a time. And if you've ever had to change the abrasive belts, you know it is a finicky task that you'll want to do as little as possible. The KC-26DS is a dual drum sander that gives you power, variable speeds, and two sanding grits working simultaneously, getting you that much closer to a finish-ready surface. With its massive steel frame, this powerful machine sands material up to 26 inches wide and 12 inches tall, and can work all day processing hundreds of linear feet of material with its 3 horsepower 16 amp 220 volt sanding motor and 1/6 horsepower 220 volt single-phase conveyor motor. All this power is delivered to the two 5-inch precision-balanced aluminum sanding drums by 2 V-belts, all controlled by the magnetic safety switch conveniently located above the conveyor table. Dialing in the best results is simple, with variable feed speeds from 3 to 20 feet per minute, as well as a steel elevation crank handle, accompanied by a depth gauge in imperial and metric. The rubberized feed belt can be tuned with the tracking adjustment screws located on either side of the feed table, and the parallelism of the drum is easy to align as well. The height of the front sanding drum is permanently factory set, where the rear drum is adjustable for parallel and to allow for different thicknesses of finer papers. Alignment of the rear drum is easy using the cap screws on either end of the sanding drum and a hex wrench. To get started using the KC-26DS, first attach your dust collector to the dual 4-inch ports located above the sanding drums. Remember, this is not a sizing machine, think of it as a huge palm sander. Each pass should be just making contact with the material surface, not plowing through it. After setting your preferred feed speed and thickness, pass the work through the sander until the desired thickness and surface condition are reached. 5-inch by 120-inch abrasive rolls come in 80, 120, 150, and 180 grit, giving you even more ways to dial in your desired finish, and to maximize control over your material, consider using in-feed or out-feed rollers such as the KRS-102 or KRS-108. For more information about this and other King Canada tools, contact your local dealer or check out the website at kingcanada.com.